Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send Atok tokens to your Metamask wallet using the correct network and token setup. I'm going to be covering everything from adding Atok to confirming the transfers safely. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Now, first of all, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application, and then you need to provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now, since Metamask is already set up to Ethereum, you need to change it to BEP20 network or the BNB Smart Chain network. In order to do that, you need to tap on this Ethereum icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the list of all of the networks that you can basically choose. So since Atok is a BEP20 token, you need to change the BNB chain over here. Now if you are not able to find BNB chain over here, you need to tap on the add a custom token option, and over here you need to basically provide the BNB smart chain network. Or what you can do is you need to tap on this option again, and now in this list you need to see the additional networks. Right next to BNB you need to tap on the add option and follow further on screen instructions in order to basically add the BNB chain or the BNB smart contract to your Metamask account. Once it is added successfully, you need to tap on the BNB chain and you need to come on the home page again. So it should look something like this. There should be the BNB smart chain and the BNB token available here. Now once this step is done, we need to add Atok as a custom token into it. For that, on this page simply tap on the import tokens option. Over here you can either use this search bar or you can search for Atok token. If you are able to find it over here, it is well and good, but as you can see, when I searched for it, I wasn't able to find Atok token over here. So we need to provide the contract address of Atok, and only then we will be able to import it over here. So tap on the custom token right next to it, and here you need to provide the contract address of Atok. Now here I have the contract address of Atok, which I'm gonna be pasting over here. Now I will put it in the description, or what you can do is you can simply open your web browser. Here in the search bar you can search for Atok contract address. Now once you search for this query, you need to just scroll down and this is your Atok contract address. You can tap on this bscscan.com/address tab, and from here you can copy this address from here. Now once this step is done, once you have pasted the token contract address over here, it will show you the Atok symbol that will look something like this. So you need to simply tap on the import option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You need to wait for some time and Atok will appear something like this. It will be on our BNB smart chain. Now it will take some time to find the conversion rates, so you need to be just wait over here. At the top of your Metamask wallet, you will see the account address. So it should look like a long string starting with 0x. So you need to copy that, and this is the BEP20 address that you can use in order to receive the Atok tokens. Just make sure that you're still on the BNB smart chain before you use it. So after tapping on Atok, you will see the receive option, so that you can tap on receive and you can copy this address from here. Now you need to launch your Atok mobile application just like so. Over here in the top you will see all of your available Atok balance. As you can see, I have 10 as of right now. So tap on the manage option right next to it, then select the transfer option. Over here in the recipient option, you need to provide that particular recipient's address which we have generated in our Metamask account. Here in the amount, you need to tap on the max option if you want all of your Atok coins to be transferred in your Metamask account, just like so. This is gonna be taking some time and show you how much the fees will be. So you need to tap on the transfer option here in the bottom. Then on the next page, you need to follow further on-screen instructions like confirming your transaction and reviewing all of the details, and you need to basically conclude your transaction. This thing is gonna be taking 1 to 5 minutes, so you need to be patient about it. This way you are going to get your Atok tokens in your Metamask account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel Also, don't forget to drop a comment if you need help with any part of the process. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.